Good morning. It is December the 13th, 2016, and I'd like to point out our AM PM commentary disclaimer that will be going on our videos from here on out. Past results don't guarantee future results. There is risk involved in trading, and we all know that. Okay, the overnight markets, the big China's retail sales better than forecast. Germany's ZEW sentiment indicator lower than forecast. An Italian bank is recapitalizing to the tune of 13 billion euros. Stock issue, and they're going to fire 14,000 employees, so they're working on their balance sheet and income statements simultaneously. FOMC starts today. That tends to freeze markets and hold them in the trading range. And today's news is import-export prices. Import prices minus 0.4. Export prices unchanged. And that's then the 30-year auction. Equities are pointed higher around the globe. That will probably pressure us. So I see a trading range market with an up bias, so they can move that 30-year paper today. Yesterday we found a bottom in London. Then here's the day session low, and then here's as the stock market opens low like this, and the last rotate down yesterday afternoon stopped at 23.29. So we got pretty good support at the buck. Right now we're at 06. Our 4/5 letter ledge begins at 124.01, so 29 to 01 by 1. Might take a 4 to get in. We'll put a question mark there. It's usually easier to get into this market than the E-mini. They don't usually make us pay up. I think we're headed higher right here, so 8 to 12 will be sell 1. Stops above 08 I think we can get, and then 15 to 19 sell 2. If the stock market does happen to sell today, that would add more support to treasuries. But I see a trading range market today with an up bias until proven differently. Okay, looking at the 30-year, same situation. Pretty good support. We do have 30-year paper today on the auction block. They will support the market to move that paper. Number 1 is 12 to 16, so 19 to 23 picks up this area right over there. Sell 1. 27 to 31. Sell 2. On the support side, last rotate down stopped at 31. So we got this X period low at 5, a W period low at 3, V at 31, and T at 30. So we have pretty good support here at the buck, and maybe as high as 04. So we'll put the buck to 04, number 1. 25.29 by 1, meaning against the value area low. 17 to 21 by 2. And see if it plays out. Okay, gold found sellers where we thought it might in the 65, 67 area last night. 65, 67, sell 1. 69.71, sell 2. Trading range, FOMC usually freezes gold. 55, 57, buy 1. 50, 52, buy 2. I don't look for much out of gold today. The euro. Longer term with the United States raising interest rates and Europe keeping theirs where they are. That should continue to pressure the euro. We had a 106.50. We liked that sell yesterday. London broke from 32. We're currently at 12.5, so 25, sell 1. 50, sell 2. On the buy side, stops below 106, buy 1. This breakout out of the 85, 86 area, so we'll put 575, let them get down into this area. Or buy 2. Crude oil snapped back last night. I would not go home short crude oil because of what's going on until we see some rejection. We do get selling. We were talking about yesterday 2 places to have a resting limit buy. 52.50, and the second one would have been at 51.75, leaning against that high right there. And right now it looks like 52.50 is pretty good support. Yesterday's spill, the selling started, and the finances opened up. This J period high held at 53.41, so 53.50, 53.75, sell 1, 54, 54 and a quarter, sell 2. On the buy side, 52.50, 75, buy 1. Put a question mark at 53. I think we can go a little bit lower than 52 even, 52 and a quarter, buy 2. But yesterday's idea on where to have a resting limit buys, as uncomfortable as that is, turned out to be pretty good. Want to trade from the long side. Want to be buying calls, not puts. Okay, the ES held in there pretty well yesterday, closed right at 22.50. Is pointed higher this morning. 22.75 is the next stop, and 2300. Obviously, we got to get through 22.60 to get there. So I think we are going higher, but we can sell failure to take out 22.60, take out and hold that. Leaning against the current high up here, 64.66 would be sell 2. And on the buy side, 50 to 52. Might take a 55 to get in. They make us pay up early. And then 45 to 47. FOMC meeting tends to rally the stock market. Especially tomorrow. Okay, it's going to take a bit to get everything up and posted. I'm going to get busy with that. I will be back with you as soon as possible. In a bit.